Hi there, welcome to Imran kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make the Karahi Aloo. This is Pakistani style. So if you want, you can make spicy. I am making spicy. If you don't want spicy, you can cut down the spice. So this is 3 medium size potato. I already cut the dice shape, medium size, not too big, like this size. So I already using half cup of oil because we need little extra oil. Later when it's ready, then you can take it out little bit if you want, if it's extra, look like it. So oil is temperature ready. Now I have to fry the potato. So now you can increase the flame medium to medium high. You have to fry at least one is half done. Then we'll put the tomato. It will take like 10 minutes to fry it. Potato is now half done, so now I will put the 3 medium size tomato, also dice shape. Sorry. And also we'll put some half teaspoon salt as test. You can put the flame on high. You can cover it, no problem. After a few minutes, 3-4 minutes, you can just stir it. So before I put the half teaspoon salt, now we need a half teaspoon more, all together 1 teaspoon salt. And now we'll put the sliced ginger. This is half inch slice. And this is 4 green chili. So now time to put the spice. This is 1 teaspoon degi miras and half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon black pepper and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. And garam masala. When food is ready, then I will put the, before finishing, then I will add the garam masala. So now we will mix it. So now we will cover it on medium heat. The Karahi aloo is cooking for the last 20 minutes. If you think your potato is not ready or tomato is not soft, become melted, then your sauce is becoming dry, then you can add little bit water like a quarter cup or half cup, whatever you need. I can check the potato now. Yeah, it's little bit hard now. It's almost, you need to cook another 6-7 minutes, or you have to put the flame on low flame. Now I'll add some cilantro. Now I'll cover it. We'll put the flame on low. So Karahi aloo is ready. It has been cooking for the last 25 minutes altogether. So now I will put the half teaspoon garam masala. I already mentioned, you have to mix at the end. We'll mix it, and after that we will dish out. If you try this potato, you will forget any other potato dish like a zira aloo, bhuna potato. This is very tasty. You must try this one. And thank you for watching Imran Kitchen.